Hi, my name is Alicia. Welcome to my channel today. So today I actually wanted to do a Kylie Jenner inspired look. So this is a look that she has, and she has this really pretty yellow in her inner corner. So I wanted to add a little bit of yellow from the Sister James palette right here. So I've been actually trying out a lot of different inner corner pop of color type of trend, and I've been really liking it. So I decided to do a look, and I kept my eyes very neutral today and popped on a very brown toned nude lippy. So it's a little different from what she did, but definitely got inspired by Kylie. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let's get started. I'm gonna start by using the new YSL Touche Éclat. I have no idea what it is. Foundation. It's kind of like a BB cream, CC cream type of thing. It is such a weird texture. Like when you blend it out, it becomes like kind of watery, if that makes sense. But I really do like this. It makes your skin look really nice, really flawless. So after the foundation's on, I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced, what is this called? The Sculpting Multi-Use Concealer. So I'm gonna use this, and I want a really bright under eye. That's this whole area. So I'm gonna sweep this all the way across like this. And kind of sweep it down. All around my nose, my chin, and the forehead for some highlight. And I'm gonna blend it out with a beauty blender. I want to go in and do my brows first. I'm just not gonna set my face today. I'm just gonna do my brows like how I usually do it, and I'll be right back. I'm going to prime my eyelids with a little bit of the concealer that's left on my beauty sponge. Just a little bit, because I'll be using the James Charles palette, and sister did say that this palette works better with eye primer, and I never prime my eyes, so I'm just going to use the leftover concealer on my sponge. I am going to be using some neutral transition shades, such as like this one right here, to sweep it all over my eyelids and to add a little bit more depth to the eyes. But that's going to be about it. The eyelids are going to be super simple. We're going to concentrate on the pop of color for the inner corner. And then I'm going to go in with a slightly darker shade, which is this one right here. And I'm going to darken a little bit on the outer corner of my eyes, just a little bit. I'm taking a fluffy brush, blending this baby out. And the reason why I didn't want to set my makeup yet is because I know that my eyeshadow will go over, so later on I want to go in with another concealer coverage to kind of sharpen it out. Now I want to add a little bit more darkness underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna go in with a flat brush, and the same color that I used earlier, this one, but I'm gonna add a little bit of this dark brown, maybe a little bit black as well. Kind of line my water lash line. Do you guys see the difference when I line my water lash line and when I don't? It's like top. Then I'm taking a little tiny fluffy brush and going into the first color that I used from earlier and just blending it out. So I'm taking my time and during this step to blend it out. I want to brighten up my upper lids a little bit, just in the center of my lids. So I'm using this matte color right here, and I'm just using it with my fingers. This will kind of brighten up your eyes a little bit. I want that effect on my eyes, especially for this look. I want to add some very dramatic wings for this look, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. When I do my wing eyeliner, I absolutely have to concentrate, so I'm not going to talk here. The wings are on. I'm going to go in with a flat brush and the dark brown color from earlier, And I want to fix my under eyes just a little bit more. Also want to add this color on where my eyeliner is. Adds a little bit more like smokiness and it blends it out just a little bit better. Now the fun part is the bright yellow inner corners. So before I apply the bright yellow from the James Charles palette, I want to apply a little bit of the concealer first to add a little bit more stickiness that grabs the pigments a little bit better. So I took the concealer that I used earlier. I'm just going to place that in the inner corner. Nice little pencil brush like this. And I'm going to go in with the brightest yellow and the medium yellow. This yellow and this yellow right here. And I'm going to blend that. Go in with the bright yellow first. And then I'm going to take a bigger pencil brush like this one right here. And I'm going to blend it in a little bit on the outer edges with this yellow. And as I said earlier, I do want to add another layer of concealer underneath my eyes. So I'm going to do that right now. So you can see that the eyes are super duper bright underneath, which is exactly what I wanted. And now I'm just going to contour my nose a little bit, contour my face, and highlight, blush, and all that. So I'm using the Filmstar Bronze and Glow palette by Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm going to contour my nose and my sides of my cheeks with this bronzer right here. I'm going to use the Tom Ford Sheer Cheek Glow Duo or Cheek Duo. I have in the color Lavender Lure. And I'm going to mix these two colors. And I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Hourglass Translucent Veil powder. And for my under eyes, since I'm not baking my eyes, I want to set it with a smaller, denser, fluffy brush. And then on the other parts of my face, I want to set it with a fluffier brush. To highlight with my Charlotte Tilbury Bar of Gold highlighter, I'm just going to mix all three of these colors right here. This is such a beautiful highlighter. So to have a little bit more of a glow on my cheeks, I'm going to add the KYLIE highlighter. This is the loose pigment highlighter, and I have in the color Santorini. So I'm just going to use what I have on a lid because a little goes a long way. And pop this onto my cheeks. I'm going to line my lips with the MCGRATH lip pencil in Done Undone. I can honestly line my lips with this color with any lipstick that I'm gonna put on because it truly just looks like my lips look better. I'm gonna use a KYLIE Cosmetics liquid lip. This is in the color Dolce K. I think it's one of the OGs that she came out with, and I really love this brown. It's like very nude, but very like brown tone nude. I really like it. So the whole look is finally completed. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I added a little bit more of a browner lippy to complete a look, which is a little bit different from what KYLIE did. But I think she started this whole inner quarter pop of color type of trend. And I've been doing a lot of pinks, a lot of yellows, oranges in my inner corner, and I've been loving it. You don't have to use yellow in the inner corner. You can use any other color that you like that's a pop of color. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye!